When you're selling a house in a competitive housing market, it will require a significant effort to ensure the best possible offer for your house. And any upgrades can play a crucial role in achieving this goal. You have to make your home stand out from the competition. So here's 10 upgrades that you can do to attract buyers willing to pay a premium and sell your house for over asking price. Now, one thing, it's not a one-size-fits-all answer to this question because the real estate market is hyperlocal. What's happening in one area of the country may not necessarily be happening in another. So depending upon your location, there are some upgrades that universally appeal to buyers and hold up in the current housing market. So if this is your first time here, I'm Jerry Pincus, your real estate expert, here to help you to avoid those pitfalls that are costly. Number one, soapstone countertops. Soapstone is quickly becoming the most preferable luxury countertop stone for kitchens. Although soapstone tends to have a higher upfront cost compared to other options like laminates and even granite, but you're likely to see a higher return on those offers when they start rolling in, because soapstone is a durable marble and it's easier to clean than some other types of stone. And this is another reason why buyers prefer these countertops other than their design. These are also more resistant to staining and etching, which can also go in saving constant maintenance and repairs for the homeowner. Now, over time, soapstone develops a soft, matted patina that some homeowners find very appealing and adds to its character. You also have to consider the overall aesthetics of the house and see if they fit that house, because this type of countertop leads to a more classic look, so it might not suit all types of kitchens and all aesthetics. Number two, matte black hardware. Matte black hardware finishes have become increasingly popular in the current housing market, and this includes cabinet pulls, knobs, door levers, and faucets. Now, unlike some other finishes like stainless steel, brass, matte black hardware is less prone to showing fingerprints, and this can be a significant benefit for busy households and those buyers who prefer a low maintenance approach when they're talking about home upkeep. Matte finishes also give a cleaner, more polished look to your home, and they're also more versatile, and you can pair them with all kinds of different design schemes as well. Now, you can spend anywhere from $5 for a single cabinet pull to over $200 for shower fittings with a luxury retailer. But these investments are worth it considering the return that you can get from them. Number three, a beverage center. Next is adding a dedicated beverage center. Now, these are different from standard refrigerators. They offer a more precise temperature control feature, and also they're designed for storing different types of drinks. There is an upfront cost for the beverage center, which can vary depending upon the size that you want to get and, of course, its features. You could get an under-counter refrigerator from Home Depot, and that can range from like $600 all the way to a dual-sided refrigerator that's more than $3,000 for all kinds of drawers and panels in the front. But potential buyers are going to appreciate these functional updates when they first visit the house. It does make your house stand out. Number four, the she shed. Even if a she shed is not technically attached to the main house, it still adds a function to the living space on your property, and it also increases the value of that property. Now, additional space can be particularly attractive to buyers if they're looking for room for their hobbies or work from home setups, or maybe even a dedicated relaxation area. And this added functionality can make your home stand out from similar properties without dedicating too much more space. Now, while some buyers may not necessarily be looking for a massive house, they still respect and appreciate having a dedicated area for specific activities outside that main living area. This can be particularly appealing for those who are looking for a more functional use of the entire space. But you're going to have to be careful about your HOA in terms of what you can do on the outside for any outdoor modifications, because some areas have restrictions on the size, the placement, or maybe exterior design of the backyard itself. But this is a worthwhile investment which overall can maximize the value of that house. Number five, kitchen upgrades. Now, the kitchen is the heart of the home, and this is potentially where buyers will pay very close attention. And outdated appliances can be a major turnoff to potential buyers. If it's not right, they're going to be lowering the price in their mind. So consider replacing them with higher-end, energy-efficient models in stainless steel that offers a clean and more modern aesthetic. And look for features that prioritize functionality and convenience, such as that fingerprint-resistant finishes or energy-saving electronics, because these minor upgrades can significantly enhance the kitchen's appeal and potentially increase your home's value by up to 15%. And if it's not modern and up to date, of course, in their minds, they're going to lower the price. That's why you want to make sure that you can get maximum dollar for your house. Just remember this key to focus on timeless styles and quality materials and the functionality that will create a kitchen that appeals to a broad range of buyers. Number six, a finished basement. Now, if you do have room and you do have a basement, one of the biggest advantages of having a finished basement is the additional usable square footage that it adds to your home. Now this is a major selling point, and especially in areas where home prices are extremely high. Because with a finished basement, you're creating more functional living space without the additional cost of that land. But make sure that the basement is functional and has proper lighting and insulation. This can significantly increase the home's appeal to potential buyers, especially for those looking for that extra living space. Number 7, garage door replacement. Now this might not be the first thing that comes to mind, but it can significantly impact your home's curb appeal and potentially contribute to a higher asking price. Because the exterior of your home is what the buyer sees first. So a modern, well-maintained garage door really makes a positive first impression on the buyer's eyes and gives a sense that the whole house has been taken care of properly. Number 8, adding solar panels. Now this depends on where you live. Solar panels can generate clean electricity, potentially leading to significant reductions in your monthly energy bills. Now this is another key selling point for some buyers, particularly those who are eco-conscious or budget-minded. But the ability to lower their ongoing living expenses will make the home more attractive to those buyers. Again, this is not for everybody, but houses with solar panels tend to sell a lot faster in certain markets and for a higher price compared to other homes without them. Plus, many states, they'll offer those additional incentives and tax credits to encourage, which will make the house more financially attractive option for some buyers. Number 9, the flooring. Now, you may not have to replace the flooring entirely if you have hardwood floors in your house. Sanding those existing hardwood floors is enough to give those floors a new look and a fresh look without any significant investment. But if you don't have hardwood, you may still want to consider replacing that floor with different options that suit your overall home's aesthetics. Now, replacing the whole floor may seem like a big deal and a big expense, but remember, these are upgrades that will pay off when selling. Compare it to something that is messed up. If you have a floor that looks bad, guess what? Again, less money. Flooring is going to be a major key factor for a buyer before they decide to buy that house. And if it has to be repaired, they're going to calculate that and give a lower price because they're going to have to make that upgrade. But if you haven't seen it, I made a video specifically on this channel about that topic, so I'm going to leave it in the comments below. And number 10, smart and energy efficient home technology. Now, energy efficient appliances and all kinds of gadgets such as smart thermostats, HVAC systems, can significantly reduce the home's energy consumption. And this translates to lower utility bills, which a buyer may consider when buying a house if you can show them how much you're saving. You're basically showcasing that your home is ready for the future. Now, many buyers, especially the younger generations, prefer the convenience and connectivity that smart technology offers. But you also don't want to use the most high-tech items in your house. Remember, the key is to strike a balance between all buyers. So make sure you choose the features in your home that are actually user-friendly and actually have a practical benefit. Now, if you found any of this stuff helpful, make sure you share it with somebody you know who could use it. And make sure that you have a real estate expert that's going to help you through this selling process because there's a lot of moving parts. I've seen the good, the bad, and the ugly. I want to make sure you get maximum dollar when you're selling your home. That's why I'm doing these videos. And the local expert, they're going to have personal suggestions based on your house, particularly the help to sell that house a lot faster. I'm Jerry with Jerry Pincus Real Estate Experts. My real estate team is here to help you find your hidden gem and avoid those pitfalls that are costly. So give us a call at 843-839-9870. We know just about everything you need to know when you're selling your house fast and selling it for maximum dollar. So until next time, stay happy, stay educated, and I'll talk to you soon. Take care, guys.